Hello! For this video I will show you how to create a revolved ring using some of the features in the xDesign app on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. We start by creating a new component and naming it. The ring begins as a 2D sketch in which we will use a center line to dimension the diameter. And we will do that by dragging the mouse on the opposite side of the center line. We then revolve the circle to create a ring. We need a flat surface on this component to assemble it later on, so I will use a reference plane to split the ring. After splitting the ring, I will delete the bottom body. We don't need that anymore. This could of course also have been done with a regular cut feature. The ring is now complete, so we will save the component to the platform. And also assign a bookmark for easy accessibility.